Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice. Let's see today's trade. So today, whatever I bought Tesla like 3 days before, is still on a like 102 positive, profit for the put calendar is 102, and the loss for the call calendar for Tesla is 420. So still I am on a loss of around for 305 or 315 dollars. So I haven't sold the trade, I haven't closed the trade, so I'll hold for the weekend. We'll check like Monday what will happen. Yeah, let's see the SPY calendar spread that I bought it like yesterday. We had a put as well as a call spread. So the SPY put calendar spread, it was sold for $260. I had one, so I sold it for a $90 loss. If you remember yesterday's. And the call calendar spread, how I did is like I bought the first whatever it was sold for the nearest date for 10/26. I bought it first for $58, and then SPY call spread became a naked call, and it was sold for $460. So in total, I made like 460 plus 8. It's around six $662, and I bought both the spread yesterday for around $630. So I got a profit of around $32.